This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which table you're using, base 10 or natural, because the method changes slightly. Convert the number into scientific form m times 10 to the n. This isolates a mantissa between 1 and 10 and an integer exponent. Once done, focus on the mantissa. You will use the log table rows and columns to find its mantissa value. The exponent is handled separately by simple addition or subtraction. This split makes lookups accurate and fast. You now read the mantissa from the table. Take the first two significant digits of m to find the row and the third digit for the column, because tables index that way for precision. Read the mantissa value directly. If your number has more than 3 significant digits, interpolate or round using the next digit so your mantissa reflects true precision. Make sure to keep track of signs and trailing zeros to avoid shifting the decimal. Accuracy here prevents you finish by combining the table mantissa with the exponent. For log 10, the final log is exponent plus mantissa. This is why converting to scientific notation at the start matters. If your original number was less than 1, remember the exponent is negative, which shifts the characteristic accordingly. Once computed, recheck the mantissa alignment and sign. If something looks off, use interpolation again or verify with a calculator to catch transcription or rounding mistakes. A quick check saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.